are just about seeing a hope to come out of COVID-19 pandemic and hopefully lead a normal life. But seems like India has to gear up to battle another outbreak. This time it is the bird flu. Several birds have been found dead in different states of the country over the past few days. The samples tested have confirmed that they were infected with avian influenza, or which is popularly known as bird flu. The news was first reported on January 3rd. Hundreds of crows were found dead in Rajasthan's Jhalawar district and many other cities, including in Jaipur. As per the reports, the deaths of birds began on December 25th. The samples were sent to National Institute of High Security Animal Diseases in Bhopal, where the deadly virus was detected. Carcasses of the birds were disposed of carefully in the pits in the area, which was then sanitized carefully. The team took all the precautions and wore safety gear. A special team has been sent to Ajmer and to Bharatpur to oversee the situation. Ajmer has a thriving poultry industry and Bharatpur is a cause for concern as it is home to Ghana, a protected wetland where the famous bird sanctuary receives hundreds of migratory birds at this time of the year. A similar strain was found in the dead crows in the three Madhya Pradesh districts. In Kerala, the H5N8 strain of avian influenza has been confirmed in parts of Alappuzha and Kottayam. Of the 8 samples sent to Bhopal-based laboratory, influenza has been detected in the 5. Around 12,000 ducks were found dead in the last few days in Kerala. Meanwhile, the state is culling 50,000 birds. The state has also classified the avian flu outbreak in the state as a state disaster. This will help the farmers get adequate compensation for the ducks that died of the virus in the initial phase, as well as for those which will get culled in the process. On the other hand, around 1,800 migratory birds were found dead in Himachal Pradesh as well. These birds were found dead at Pong Dam Lake. Most of them are bar-headed geese. In neighbouring Haryana, around 1 lakh of poultry birds are reported to have died in Barwala in the last few days. The Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has taken note of the situation and has also directed all the states' wildlife departments to take serious note of the avian flu cases and report mortality of wildlife to the ministry on priority. The ministry also shared a slew of guidelines to be followed while handling the birds. State wildlife departments have been specifically asked to step up the surveillance of migratory birds and have been advised to prepare an action plan for monitoring, surveillance and any emergency. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.